Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only, and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. For viewing the US dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, continues to trek for the third consecutive day and nearly upon the level of 93.6070, which was previously rejected by that shooting star. Nevertheless, the technicals are relatively strong, with an ADX trending and the RSI just breaking over the 70 on the axis, that is, and the MACD also holding to a positive signal. Still expects the view from what I've been calling for the last couple of weeks at 94.40. Also to note is that from a broader aspect, beyond 94.40 sees around 95.20. Later, all eyes look to the congressional testimony from the US Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell and also from US Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen. Last week, US Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell helped boost confidence and also to the US dollar when he said that the US economy had recovered significantly for the central bank to potentially announce the start of bond purchasing tapering at its next meeting, that is of the FOMC meeting. So with the market holding to a bullish stance and also looking at the euro, we can see that we are challenging this level of 116.75. That was previously contested back here in August. Now, a break beneath that level would give further scope down towards 116.15. And do note that if we break that level, then we are looking at 113.5 to 113.60. From a weekly aspect, it does support this view from the close of last Saturday. But we do need to see confirmation from this week on Saturday to support the confirmation from the three indicators. Nevertheless, it does look like it is shaping up to support this view. The Australian dollar, well, the attempts towards that top side of the range that came in around 73 figure 40 and getting to 73.10 just turned rather sharpish to the downside and now buckling. Now looking towards the downside, I see immediate support at around 72.70 and then further with the base holding at 72.25.35 and a close underneath there will give an extension down towards 71.70 and reassess from there. The dollar yen, well, the market is powered on through that 110.80 level and now looks towards its top side of the range, which looks like the squeeze is on to 111.70.90. If we break this level, then I'm going to sit out and remain to a neutral stance. This is quite an extension from this move and overall one of the strongest I've seen in a while. Nevertheless, we are overbought, but the ADX is accelerating, as you can see here from this plus directional index, which is that faint blue line there. If we see a rejection, which is anticipated as we are overbought, from that 111.70.90, then I'm looking back towards the support region of 110.70 and reassess. Sterling finding a little bit of weakness into the European Open and furthermore looks towards the base around 136.20 after struggling to catch up the 137 handle. Still, we need a little bit more confirmation, but I'd say if the dollar index breaks above the 94 area, then that would increase most of the currency pairs to head in their direction that I'm indicating from the technicals. That would mean sterling yen could actually strengthen up further, and that is after clearing the resistance seen around just below that one, around that 152. I'm looking for a stretch towards 153.30.60, like previously was a bear cam and a bearish ambush from there, and no doubt we'll see that again. Gold is on track by the looks of things after breaking through the 1,748 level and now looking down towards the support region, which is close to around 1,726 to 28. Reassess from there. If it fails to hold there, then we might even be looking down towards 1,000. Put that line in for you. 1,680. Wrapping up with oil, market has reached its July 6 high, and that is at $76.40.55 area after posting an intraday high of 49. Now, if we break above there, then it leaves me neutral. However, one takeaway is it could see a move up to 77.40.50 reassess. Well, that wraps it for today. Thank you very much for joining me. And as always, look out for the intraday poll. And I hope you enjoy the rest of the day.